me kind of dive into the price action. We had a fair value gap just over here. So this is our imbalance, right? I want traders to understand how I mark up fair value gaps because I get a lot of questions on this. So we always look for the one candle that comes before the imbalance. This is going to be our point of interest or our order block or whatever you want to call it, right? I use the word order block and fair value gap interchangeably, and I think that's what's confused people, right? If this is the imbalance, this is the fair value gap. This is a POI or a key level. This is actually a demand area, right? This is an area of demand, right? So a demand area, quite simply, is just a bullish POI. It is a bullish area which is left in imbalance. So this is the demand area. So when we continue to play price on, right, we are looking for price and how it behaves in this region, right? It's quite interesting. So we had market open, which was very aggressive, and we broke with a body. This is what we call a demand to supply flip zone. So just to break this down in terms of liquidity, right? We had the Asian range low, prices taken out the Asian range low, prices now come up and taken out the Asian range high. So what does this mean from a price action or manipulation standpoint? It simply means that the market is looking to entice early buyers and take them out, and then early sellers, take them out, then entice buyers, right? Both sides of the market have been swept like this. And so now we have what we call a demand to supply flip zone. So again, what makes this demand to supply flip zone valid is the fact that we've also left an imbalance just over here. So we can see an imbalance over here. So when price comes into this imbalance, right, we are typically looking for a few things. And this is where the order flow becomes very, very key. So we're looking for price to come into this area, tap into this fair value gap, and then we're looking for the interaction between buyers and sellers before taking price lower. This is important to understand. So now when we go down to let's go down to the 5-minute time frame, right? And now we bring up our PO3 indicator. So now we brought out our PO3 indicator. What's really happening down here is we had the 10 a.m. Eastern open down here. Now we got price coming above the 10 a.m. Eastern during the PM session, right? So now we're in the PM session and we're coming towards this level. So remember, when I'm marking out my trades, there's typically 3